Good morning, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a compilation vlog for today and tomorrow. Since I don't want it to be super repetitive every single day of getting on the subway, getting off the subway, doing all the same things. So today we are going to get on the subway and we're gonna go to Times Square and we're gonna go watch the Rockettes in a couple hours. So we're gonna get down there, get the tickets and get going. So I am gonna vlog today to show you the fun highlights, but not so much of the walking around looking at things, because we're gonna go to a place that we've already gone and I've already filmed. So we leave tomorrow afternoon, so I'm just gonna push the two videos together. So hope you enjoy and let's do this. And they have a DJ in here, like a full-on DJ. I love it. Look at that. I found the cutest pair of pajamas. It's a sweatshirt and like joggers, but it's a set. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna get it. It's so cute. Okay.
Why would it be, oh, they accidentally hooked their...
Nothing worth losing sleep over because we got
Commercials are confusing. We are back at our hotel. We've been back for a long time, you guys. It's 11:22. I knew I wouldn't be very good at vlogging today because it was our last full day, and I just wanted to make it different from yesterday and the day before, and I feel like I couldn't do that, so I only did a little bit. And really today was just like the other days. We did different things. We went to the Rockettes, we stayed in downtown at Times Square, but like we rode the subway, we walked a lot, we got lost. Like it just was really similar to the last couple of days. So, where's the remote? We brought home 2 pieces of cake that cost $19. I don't know how, but they did. They were good, they were worth it. I still have some of my chocolate piece left. And we're kind of just watching Food Network and enjoying our night. We're talking about what we want to do tomorrow since it's our last day. So I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna stop blabbering and I'm gonna sit up here. I will catch you guys tomorrow in like 5 seconds for tomorrow's day and our travel day. So see you soon. Good morning. We are back. Not from anywhere, but just to the vlog. We are packing up all of our stuff, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Kind of just getting everything configured. We have a late checkout, which is great. So we're gonna go get some Mexican food at El Toro in the financial district. And then we're going to go to Forever 21, which is just down the other way, shop for a little bit, look around, just enjoy our last little bit in the city. And then we'll come back to our hotel, pick up our bags. We're gonna take an Uber or a Lyft to the airport, and then we'll probably just walk around, go to the Delta Sky Club, or just walk around, sit at our gate. We board at 6:50. We leave shortly after. We get home to, not home, but we get to Salt Lake around midnight. We'll stay at my sister's house and then we're gonna go home. Riley and Duke are gonna come pick me up. It's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna finish packing and we're gonna go get some Mexican food. Doesn't look good, but it tastes good. We're at El Toro in the financial district. We just saw the Bull of Wall Street. Not what we expected. or not what I expected food-wise, but it's still good, and I'm still very hungry, so I'm eating it. But we're gonna go shopping soon. I'm just gonna enjoy our last little bit. This won't mean anything to anybody other than me when I'm watching these back with my mom in 6 months or a year. Right now we're walking on New Street, and right behind us, just literally like, we're actually gonna come up on it. So we're just over the buildings from the Raging Bull of Wall Street. It's raging, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I thought it was charging too. Oh, it's one of the two. I guess I'm not 100% sure, but we're just walking through the streets. It's our last day, and we're just enjoying everything. We finally, me at least, found my bearings. And we're gonna walk to Forever 21 and just look around, and like, we understand the streets, we understand how to get there, what to use to get there, and I'm excited. So I'm just excited to watch these back in a little bit and see all the things that we did, how well I feel like I know it right now, because I feel really confident. And then when we come back again in a year, I'm gonna be like, what is this? So I'm gonna watch it so I can feel good then like I did now. We have not had a day where we didn't have a piece of cake and like share it and try cake. I don't know why it's not normal for us. I mean, we love sweets, but that's not normal. But as we were shopping, we went to Century 21, H&M, and just walked around like this mall kind of thing. We found this cute little thing, Lady M confections, and we bought 3 pieces of cake and a treat, 4 pieces. Let's see. Also, look how many forks she gave us because she thought we were sharing. Nope, just us.
All of them in one box.
Yeah. How does she do this? Oh no, the milfoil fell off.
Naturally, because she cut it. Instead of just giving it to us, she cut it.
This one is gluten-free. It's whipped cream, almond flour, and something else. This is checkers, so white cake, chocolate cake, ganache, the whole thing. Black forest, and a banana milfoil. Which one do you think you'll like the most? I think I'll like this one the most, then this one, then this one, then tie between all of them besides this one.
I don't know, but let's try the same piece at the same time.
Okay.
1, 2, milkweed.
Oh, I got a big cherry.
Yum, that's delicious. That's worse. Delish.
I got a big cherry in my bite, and I'm apparently not a big fan of cherries.
For the lamb.
But other than that, it's delicious. Banana.
How to even do it.
Did you get a piece of banana in yours? Wow, that bottom is like a pie crust.
1, 2, 3.
Delicious. Like a banana cream pie, but in a cake. Yum. Okay.
1, 2.
Almond flour one.
I'm making a drinking drink.
Loving.
Delicious.
Amazing, but flavor-wise, boring. I love the cream though.
Beautiful.
Okay, drink.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink.
Water. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
I don't want it all. 1, 2, 3. I want you to answer first.
Yum.
Also bowling. Yum.
A little plain.
Bowling. Okay, my rankings, surprisingly, are this one's good but boring. I like the banana the best because it's so fluffy. This almond flour, what even was it called? The marron is amazing. There's so much fluff to it and
Different layers,
yes,
right?
yeah. I'm gonna throw you better. I don't think they care at all. So many layers of fluff is so good. This one is delicious but kind of boring. If you didn't get a big bite of cherry, delicious. This one just all around is.
The crust is delicious. Flavor.
Delicious.
Oh, really good. Really good.
We just ordered our lift, so we're gonna go. Oh. We're gonna go meet him. He's gonna be here in 2 minutes. And yes, we're going home. Well, kind of home, but home. Back in our Delta Sky Club. 1 more hour. Okay, we just got into our rental car. And
It's the right one, right?
well, your car unlocked it, so I'm assuming so.
We're tired.
Yeah, tired. So we are driving to my sister's house, and then this lady is coming back to the airport tomorrow to fly back home to Idaho, and Riley's coming to pick me up, and we're just gonna drive back home because we're way closer. So we're going to spend the night there. We'll probably, I don't know, we might not even have breakfast all together. We might just go our separate ways, but we're heading to our house tonight. So I will see you guys tomorrow when Riley picks me up. Of course. Guess who I'm with? Oh, we're so happy to be back. We got to meet their Duke. We are driving around the University of Utah campus. We're just looking and browsing. Picked me up from the airport like 30-ish, 40 minutes ago. We went and got some McDonald's breakfast, and now we are here. Let me turn it down a little bit more.
Right, turn on there. I want to go in there.
We're just kind of enjoying our time and looking around. It's only 10:45 in the morning, so we have some time. I'm wearing my gingerbread sweater, my jeans and my booties. I love it. And I'm just so happy to be back with them. It's so fun to be driving around Utah, which is like a second home to us, basically. It's so fun. I'm really happy. So I'll pick up the camera and vlog a little bit today with whatever we do, but we're back together and it feels so good.
Text me, then I can slide it, and besides that, I cannot.